Hey friends, you are crafting with Kim Byers at the Celebration Shop, and today we are making something super simple. We're going to make a gift for Teacher Appreciation Week, but this is also great for like that end of year gift. And I have some that are for back to school as well. Different than this, but some that are for back to school that I'll put links to down below in the description. But today's craft is super easy. You can do this with a pair of scissors and a printer. That said, if you have a Cricut and you want to use your Cricut to like personalize the tag and print then cut, on the blog I have descriptions for how to do that, and I also have the files linked up so you can load those onto Cricut. So let's go over to the craft table and I'll show you all about it. So welcome to my craft table. I thought the first thing I would do is show you the design. So I have these sweet little oranges and I have the leaves. And if you are cutting this out by scissors, you just simply go down below, get the PDF and print this on your printer, and then we'll cut these out and attach. If you are using a die cutting machine, if you're using your Cricut, there's a separate file for that. And so you can grab that down below as well. So this is really simple, right? Aren't you glad it's summer? Thank you for a wonderful year. Your kiddo can sign it. And then you just grab a pair of scissors and cut it out. And that's pretty much it. Then we'll punch a hole in it and run some ribbon through it and attach it to our bag. I've finished cutting out our tag. See how cute our little orange turned out? And now I wanted to show you everything that I'm going to put into this gift. So you'll notice that everything on the table is orange or some variation thereof. So I have Pringles, which are cheddar cheese. I have the orange Sunkissed, orange flavored gum. You have to have chocolate. It is an absolute must. I have some little clementines. I thought those were sweet. And then I picked up a gift card. And I love World Market, but the primary reason that I chose this gift card is because it matched my theme. And plus I figured teachers will, buy something for themselves instead of the classroom. Okay, so the next thing that we do then is we're gonna fill our basket. And what I did is I picked this basket up at Target from the dollar bin, and I have all this stuffing in it, and I would say go heavy on the stuffing. You don't want your basket to look flat. You want everything to be tall and look very full. So you can pop those down. See how it's not sinking very much? That's perfect. So we'll put our stuffing in. So we have our gum. And then we'll place our gift card. Make sure that you write the amount on it so they don't get embarrassed or have to ask you how much it's for. And then put your chocolate in and maybe tuck your little clementines around. And then we'll take our tag and take a hole punch and just slip it in. See, I've got it upside down. Slip it in and punch. Okay, so then we're just going to take a piece of ribbon. And I would suggest, again, using a darker colored pen. This one is going to be for my sweet little niece. And so we just pop some ribbon into this. Okay, and then we tie it to our handle, and we're done. So your teachers will feel appreciated and you will have the cutest gift on the table. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed crafting that with me as much as I enjoyed designing the tag and giving that away to you. And if you like what we did here today, I hope that you will hit that subscribe button and join me for all my future videos. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments down below and I'll do my very best to answer you. And I was thinking, if you have something in particular that you would love to have a free printable for, leave those down there too, and I'll do my best. I always love making things for my readers. So you are crafting with Kim Byers at the Celebration Shop. I'll see you next time.